Welcome to my channel. Please watch this video at end. Please subscribe my channel. Letter numeric remember and note your email and password to login and you have company to login. Otherwise fist create new company login and you have no company. First create company, fill all information and click add to create company and also update, change and delete company. Here now add company and select company. Under that to update and delete options show. Create all necessary account are created when you create company and also delete created account when you delete this company. Select a company which you want to account of company when you log in. Again apps is asked you which is your default company to account. Add GST number to company. Add, modify or delete GST number. Create simple and compound units like quantity, kilogram, gram. Simple like quantity and packing materials. Compound like first create simple and then create compound. So with this compound on simple unit and also here update and delete units like company. By default when you create company some units are created automatically. Make go downs and here change update and delete go down information. Create HSN code with GST information to calculate. By default when you create company some units are created automatically. Make go downs and here change update and delete go down information. Create HSN code with GST information to calculate GST on goods and services. But service GST is not on mobile apps, it is in computer Windows version software. And here also you can update and delete GST profile. You don't know in field like 0 remove 0 to know which field is this. Here create stocks and goods you have and select GST rate here to select stock group and also enter default selling price of this stock so it can automatically get price when you create sales invoice. Here also update and delete. Here you can create account ledger like permanent client ledger and expenses ledger and income ledger, but most of ledger are created by default. We need in common use and also you can here update and delete. Add items in maximum 5 items in purchase and maximum 10 items in sales invoice. When you make invoice press invoice will be complete. Watch use stock and goods stock. No use stock quantity purchase and selling or closing quantity here. Know your GST and pay GST entry. Running GST balance and payment of GST entry here. Download any report into your email. 1. Select the report name like 1 account ledger, bills invoice, vouchers, profit and loss or stock register and have viewed more option by Windows version. For fully execute report must be select date from end date to and account and report. Now last you can delete any entry. I hope that you have understand that any query email to lakhmangarala@gmail.com. Delete all bills, cash, bank payment, receipt, journal, contra sales, purchase entry is delete from this menu. I hope that you have understand that any query email to lakhmangarala@gmail.com you can stored your account data in your mobile memory and computer hard drive also, but recommended option is store your data in. Like this video, please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.